Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the PeppermintOS Debian edition with the XFC desktop. Let us start. So this is the grub screen of PeppermintOS Debian edition with the XFC desktop, and you get the main kernel along with the recovery kernel. So we will boot into the main kernel. So this is the splash screen. So it's very distinct and very nicely designed splash screen for the PeppermintOS. And this is the greater screen of the PeppermintOS Debian edition. So on the top, you got the default X session as well as the XFC session. Then the accessibility features like large text, high contrast and screen reader are there. There is no on-screen keyboard. It should have been there. The time dead clock is there. The power menu is there. And at the left center, you got the user field, user and the password field. So we will enter the simple password and get logged into the session, XFC session. So this is the XFC desktop of the Debian edition of PeppermintOS. First thing that we will do is, of course, we will correct the resolution. So resolution is not scaling automatically to the right size. We have to do it manually. Yes, we will keep this resolution. So here you can see the welcome app has come up. So you can see the welcome app has got suggested section, the Peppermint Hub, Peppermint Docs, build log is there, and the Peppermint community links are there. So we will check this in a minute. Let us first check out the desktop. So this is the application menu here. Then you have got the file manager, that is the Thunar file manager. The XFC terminal is there. The Peppermint Hub is there. So you got links to the Synaptic Package Manager, Text Editor, Advanced Network Configuration, Power Manager is there, and the Run Program is there. And this is the welcome app that is currently shown on the screen. On the right side, you got the two workspaces. You can change between the two workspaces. The Network Manager is there. The Power Manager is there. There is a simple update shortcut that is for the Peppermint update. You got the notifications area, the volume control is there along with the link to the audio mixer, and the XFC calendar is there. So it's very neat and clean and it looks very fresh. You can see the wallpaper is showing the mint plant in a flower pot hung from the window. So looks very nice and gives a very nice and distinctive touch to the desktop. Now let us check out the welcome app. So let us check out what are the suggested packages. So the suggested packages will suggest you software, the popular software that can be installed immediately in a very fast way. So Atrial Document Viewer, Payroll Media Player, GUFW, that is the Graphical Universal Firewall, Package Platform, Gnome Software Store, MePass, Password Tool, Timeshift Backup Tool, and the suggested web browsers like Firefox, Conqueror, Gnome Web, that is the Epiphany web browser, Tor browser, Qt browser, Chromium browser and the Falcon Qt browser. So let us start one by one. So if you want to install the Atrial document viewer, you have to just click here. You have to input your password in the terminal that opens up. So that will start the installation of the Atrial document viewer. So it's very easy to install the favorite or popular applications using the Peppermint Welcome app. So it gets installed very fast. So meanwhile, what we can do is let us, yes, there is some other thing that has come up. Okay. So it just screen that was hidden, so that has gone blank, nothing else. Now we can install the GNU firewall, that is the graphical user firewall. So you have to input the password. It will install the graphical end for the universal firewall, that is GUFW. So this package manager is yes, now it will it was locked, so now it is available. It is got unlocked, and the graphical user firewall is now installed. Now we can also install the Flatpak package platform. Let the installation complete, then we will check out the Flatpak package platform. So that will install the Flatpak support, and then you can browse the Flatpak application packages that can be installed on your system. Right now, which browser? So I think browser, let us check out which browser is there. So no browser is there, so we can install, let us say, let us install the Falcon Qt browser. Yes, let us go for that. Just we wait for the GUFW to install, that is the graphical firewall. Once it is complete, we will install the Falcon Qt browser. Because this is XFC, so Qt applications will better suit the looks with the XFC. GTK applications, though they are also compatible, I think Qt is more compatible here. So now what we will do is we will just input our password and it will install the Qt Falcon Qt web browser. So you see, it's everything is working very fine. I don't see any issue. All the apps are getting installed perfectly. So there is a lot of user friendliness associated with the Peppermint OS. I think few hundred packages are there or what? Let us check. Yes, so 133 new packages are going to get installed. Let it finish, then we will check out the Flatpak package platform, how it is gets installed on the system and how it works on the Peppermint OS. We will try to install one Flatpak package. I will install the ClamTK, that is the antivirus, Linux antivirus. We wait for the installation of this Falcon Qt browser to complete. Okay, so now we can check out the Flatpak package platform. Input your user password in the terminal and it will install. You can see here it will install the Flatpak support. So the Flatpak application packages, the support packages, so those will be installed. The P11 kit will be installed and some additional packages will be there. These are the additional packages. So you have to continue with the automatic installation. And after you do this, always whenever you install the Flatpak support, you have to restart your system. Otherwise, the Flatpak packages won't appear in the software store. So now we have done this. So once the Flatpak package platform has been installed, we need to restart the system. Otherwise, the Flatpak packages won't be available for installation. So I will now restart the system and we will meet again. So then we will check out if we can install the Flatpak application. So we will try to install the ClamTK Flatpak application. So see you again after the restart. Okay, so we are back after the restart and now let us check out further application packages in the suggested section of the Peppermint OS. Why it is not coming up on the screen? It should come up. I don't know why it is not coming. Let us restart it. It is not coming. I think now you have to go over to the Peppermint Hub. So here you can see in the Peppermint Hub, there are some further applications and features that can be started. For example, the network manager is there. So here you can manage your network connections, wired as well as the wireless connections from here. These are the printer settings. So you can manage your printers from here. You can see it here. You can add the printers. You can manage the printers from here. You can unlock and lock the printers also. Then you have got the disk utilities. So here you can see we have installed the Peppermint OS in a virtual machine with around 38 GB of virtual hard disk and with the XFS file system for the root partition, and it is using the MS-DOS style partitions and the encryption is not applied. Now we will go over to the H block. So what is H block? H block is ad blocker. So if you install the H block on your system, it will prevent the ads from getting displayed in the web browsers and all the cookies and all those things, so which intrude in your privacy, those will be blocked by this. So I think it will be installed by now. Just it is, everything is automatic. You can see here you have to just input your password and it is already installed. So now it has become red, so that means it is already installed. Let us check out the system info. So the system info will be displayed in the terminal. So this is just like your NeoFetch. So NeoFetch will also display the system information in the terminal. So this also displays the system information in the terminal. Only thing that is missing is the logo of your operating system, that is missing. For example, in Debian, you can see the Debian logo that gets printed using the characters. So that is missing here. Now what is XDaily? So we have to just input the password. Yes, so you can check the daily updates that are available using this. So check APT repositories for updates. So this is nothing but the update app. So it will connect with the Peppermint and Debian repositories. and it will show you all the delta packages, that are the update packages that are available. So you can see here, I will just enlarge this so you can take a look. So this is how the update appears. So it shows the following application packages installed, and it is upgradable to the new version. So here you can see the minor version 16 has been changed to 19. So these are all the packages that are available for the update, and you can update the system. So what we will do is, let us go ahead with the update. So this is how the update goes on. You can see it here. Now it will show you complete list. So this list, the way this list is shown is just like in Fedora. Fedora also shows something like this. But this bottom thing, the download part, it is different. It is not seen anywhere in other Linux operating system. Only this Peppermint specific it is. But the way here it is shown, this application package is available for upgrade. So that is just like Fedora. So if you use the Fedora, you will understand it. So we wait for the update to complete. Just I want to show you the complete system, how will be the experience. So you can take a decision whether to install Peppermint on your system or not. So updates is quite fast. You can see already almost half the update is complete. It took around 1 minute or so for the update to complete. Download in 1 minute, and another maybe 1 minute will be required to install the updates. So 2 minutes of time for the some 100 odd packages. So I like the way the update goes on. All the design of the terminal TUI interface is very good, and it is very colorful and eye-catchy. Okay, so the update is complete, and it is offering us to uninstall the unnecessary packages from the apt cache. So what happens is, whenever the new packages are downloaded, once the installation is complete, the package remains in the apt cache, so it is not required. So we can as well remove it. Otherwise the packages keep collecting, and the root file system gets clogged with this all unwanted packages, and they will occupy the space and slow down and fragment the space. So you have to uninstall them. Do you want to remove the old dependencies not required by the system? So this is also very good step to keep your system very clean. Clear the browser thumbnail cache, so that is not required because it is a fresh install. So do you want to clear the recently used list in the Firefox? No. So this is all very good maintenance steps that are being offered to be done automatically by the system. Caching icons at the user share icon, so updated icons will get cached. So this is important step, you have to say yes. So I like the way the Peppermint developers have uh, automated the system maintenance. So every update, the system maintenance will also be done. Caching will take some time. We wait for the caching to complete, and then we will go back to the GNOME software store. And I think now the GNOME software store will also offer the Flatpak packages as an option, because we have installed the Flatpak support earlier. Reconfirm the Peppermint branding in the OS release, so you have to say yes. Stream eligible extended 2, 3, 4 file systems, say yes. Press any key to continue. So it will trim the file system. So I think this is the only operating system I have seen till date which offers automated maintenance steps after every update. So in other Linux systems, you have to install either the maintenance applications, or you have to do it yourself from the terminal. So maintenance applications are separate from the update application, but here both update and maintenance is offered in the same TUI based application. So the updater will also offer you to do the system maintenance. So this very I can highly regard this. It is one of fantastic job done by the PeppermintOS developers. Now this is done. We will now go over to the Pulse Audio. Let us check out what the link. So this offers, this is nothing but the POW control. So you can do detailed configuration of the playback, recording, and the output devices. Plus input devices also is there. You can see it here, and you can create a configuration profile using the detailed settings available for the user. And this is the users and groups. So you can do the user administration from here, create users, delete users, add users to different system groups. All those things can be done here. I will not go in detail. We have seen this many times. And this is the link to the XFC settings. So this we will cover up in the next video, where we'll check out the complete system. So right now we are just checking out the specific Peppermint Hub and the Welcome App applications, what is available in the Peppermint Hub and the Welcome App. So here you can see the suggested packages are there. So we have already done this, so it won't come up again. Now we already installed the Flatpak. So now there is another form of application format that is available. So either you can install the applications in the native, say like for example deb or rpm based package, you can install as a Flatpak. And there is another format of package management and installation, that is the app image. So this is the image, so you can download it from the online server. So that also you can do. So we will try to install this support in the system. So you have to just click here. So here it will start the terminal, and you can, so I think it is a terminal only. Let us let it work. Yes, so I think it is not a terminal. The web browser has been opened up, and you have to just click on this link, that is the app image launcher. So it will launch the app image launcher, and the launcher will offer you to install the different applications as an app image. So let it work. You can see the catalog has around more than 1,000 applications are there, and all the applications you can see here, they are sorted out. So the different sections are there. For example, the file management has 27 apps. So these are all file management applications available as an app image. Then you got IoT based applications, two IoT based applications available here. In the networking, 16 applications are there. Then in security, you can see here around 26 applications are there for installation. So let us, what we'll do is let us first check out the different sections and then we will try to install one application. So this is all the system applications that are available. Now system tools are there. So 9 system monitoring applications, 18 system tools. Then terminal applications, 11 of them are there. Then in utilities, 234 utilities are available for installation. So like this, more than 1,000 applications are available as an app image. Okay, then now what we will do is let us go back to the system monitoring. Let us try to install this CPUX application as an app image. So you have to just click on the app image, and there are two ways. You can first download it and then install. Not install the app image. If you have installed the support, the app image file, if you just click on it or double click on it, the application will run. Or you can directly install it. So let us try to install the application. So let us see what happens. It should get installed. I normally use I think one or two applications with app image. One was that USB writer I had downloaded as an app image. So I normally use USB writer application is there. I think I don't remember which application it was, but I always use it as a app image. So the app image is now downloaded. What we can do is we can just open up the browser, go in the download section, and the app will run. You can see here. Okay, archive format is not recognized. I think we'll have to open it as an app. So why it is not opening up? Okay, it is trying to open up as an archive. So that default application. I think we'll have to run it as an application. Let me check. Why it is not running? It's not. It should run as such. Okay, so it is already downloaded. So why it is not installing? We have to install the support. I think let us first click this and shut it off. Try to. So I think the inbuilt app image support should is not there or what? Let me check. Let's go back. Let me open it again. So anyway, you can install it. I will show you another video how to install the app image in Peppermint OS and use it, because in Debian it's very easy. You have to just download that app image and click on it, or you can right click, run, and it will run. So I don't know why it is not running here. Just a moment, I will try another way. One more time I will try. Should run here directly. Okay, here, yes, and now I found it out. So you have to click it here, allow this file to run as a program. So now what will happen is, once I click on it, yes, now it is running. Yes, so I found the way. So every Linux distribution, something is different. So in Debian, whenever you download the app image, right click on it, it runs. There is a run command is there, so you can run it. So here you can see the CPU-X application is running as an app image, and you can just use it like any other application. It's very easy. You have to just download the app image, enable it in the system properties, enable the image to run as an app, and it is running. You can see here all the data is shown correctly here. So I have now shown you the functionality of PeppermintOS, different functionalities, different application package formats that can run. And now we will go over to the Synaptic Package Manager. So old and trusted Synaptic Package Manager, my favorite. I use this to install most of the applications. It is just like what we see in the Debian, because this is all based on Debian only. So these are all the application package sections that are available. So this is the KDE desktop environment. So you can see all the KDE desktop related applications are there. So these are mostly the KDE desktop system applications. And this is all the kernels and modules. So this is all the kernel tools, everything, kernel images, all that is available in Debian will be available here. Most of them will be available. I think the Linux images are only there up to the stable. So the backports are not there. So we'll have to edit the sources list to enable the backports. So if you enable the backports, then the latest kernel images will be also available. So right now only the stable kernel images are available here. Now I will close this. So now let us check out the FlatHub. So once the Flatpak support is there, you can go online to the FlatHub organization and you can install the Flatpak. So all the Flatpak applications are there. So thousands of Flatpak applications are there. And you can also set up the FlatHub. You can see here, you have to just choose the Linux distribution that you are working. So since we are based on Debian, we can safely choose the Debian, or we just wait and check if Peppermint is there. So Peppermint I don't see, or we can just, no, Peppermint is not there. So we can just click on Debian. So this is how you have to do. You have to just follow the commands here, but we already done that. So there is automatic way how to do that. We have seen it in the welcome app. So we have to just click on the icon and it will install the Flatpak support, which was already installed. So we need not do this terminal commands again. So Flatpak support is there. Let us check it out in the GNOME web store. So I am opening the GNOME web store. Let us see if the Flatpaks are available. So this is all the applications from the gnome.org. So these are all online applications available. So they consist of three kinds of different applications. The core application are there. So these are the core applications available in the GNOME desktop. So this will be mostly all these applications will be there in any GNOME desktop. So if you have got any GNOME desktop, by default these all applications will be there inside it. So these are all the core applications. So if you take a Fedora GNOME desktop, then these all applications are there. You can check it out. These all applications are there in the GNOME, because GNOME will just give you the core application packages, and then your user has to build up the desktop to his choice. So Fedora will only consider the core apps in the desktop, and the circle apps are additional applications that enhance the usage and the features of the GNOME desktop. So these are all optional applications, you can say, and you can install them from here. So you have to just click here and it will install the application packages. For example, if you want to install the extensions, you have to just click it here. Let me check some application that we can use in our XFC desktop. Let us check. Let us try to install the Graphor. Let us see what happens. So we can install the Graphor application package. I think the installation has started or what? Let us see. I don't know whether it is started or not, because this interface is totally new. Yes, now you can see here the Graphor application pack is there, and I think we can install this safely on our system. Just a moment. Let us see. I think installation is not going on. What we can do is, let us try to install the citations. No, so we cannot do the installation here. Only the application names and the information about the GNOME applications are given on the gnome.org web page. So I think we have covered up the Peppermint Hub as well as the welcome app of the Peppermint XFC desktop in the Debian version of Peppermint. So we have got the Debian version as well as the this Debian version of Peppermint. So right now we have checked up the Peppermint Hub and the Peppermint welcome app in the Debian version of Peppermint, and the desktop we had checked out is XFC. So in the next video we will just check out the this desktop only. So the XFC desktop and the application packages that are available in the desktop will be checked. So the main functionality that was exclusive to PeppermintOS, that is the Peppermint Hub and the Peppermint Welcome app has been checked in this video. So it took a quite long to complete it, because of course the different functionality was there for the user, so we had to check it. So I will now stop the video here, and in the next video we will check out the XFC desktop of the Peppermint Debian edition. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.